Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to RV online class. In the previous class, we have completed exercise 4.3. Okay. So in this session, we will start exercise 4.4. Before going to start, we will see what is triangle. Okay. Triangle. We know that what is triangle. See here. What is this? This is a triangle. Three-sided polygon. Polygon means more than two sides. It is nothing but polygon. So here one side, two side, and three side. Three side polygons is nothing but triangle. So A, B, C. This is triangle. Okay. Three-sided polygon is nothing but triangle. And it is the polygon with least number of sides. See here. What is this? Rectangle A, B, C, D. This is rectangle. Here, how many sides? A, B is one side, B, C is another side, C, D is third side, D, A is four. Here, there are four sides. So, in this, only three sides. So, least side polygon is nothing but a triangle. Three-sided polygon is a triangle. In this, there are three sides and three angles. See, one angle, two angle, third angle. Angle A, angle B, and angle C. These are the angles and these are the sides. Okay, and this is nothing but vertex. Point is nothing but vertex A, vertex B, and vertex C. Understood? In this triangle, there are three sides, three angles, and three vertices. Okay, so this is nothing but triangle. In triangle, there are many types. We'll see in further classes. Okay, and this one is rectangle. We have four-sided. Least-sided polygon is nothing but triangle. Understood? Let's see exercise 4.4. In this first one, draw a rough sketch. Draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC. Make a point P. Make a point P in its interior. In its interior and a point Q in its exterior. Exterior. Is the point A in its exterior in its exterior or in its interior. See here. What is the question? Draw a rough sketch of a triangle. We have to draw a rough sketch of a triangle. This is a triangle. Three-side polygon is nothing but triangle. Make a point. Triangle ABC means we have to give the name A, B, and C. This is a triangle ABC. In this, we make a point. Here, what is exterior and what is interior? Let's see. Here, triangle inside. See here. I am shading this part. So this is interior of this triangle. Shaded part is interior of this triangle and this dotted part is exterior part of this triangle. Outside means exterior, inside means interior part. So what we have to do? Yeah, make a point P on its interior and make a point Q on its exterior part. So inside interior part and outside exterior part. This is triangle. See one another example. This is a circle. Okay. Here center O. This is radius. And here P. So here O is interior in circle and P is exterior point outside the circle. This is exterior point and this one is interior point. So in this triangle we have to P inside. This is take anywhere P. We have to draw. We have to take P at the interior part, means inside the triangle. And Q exterior. Exterior means anywhere you want to take. Here you have to take Q. Otherwise here wherever you want exterior part is this one. So we have to take anywhere Q. Okay. Next, what they ask is the point A. Here where is A? This one is A. Is the point A in its exterior or interior? Where is A? Here. These are the vertex. A, B, C are vertex, means on the triangle. But what they say is the point A in the exterior or in its interior? Neither exterior nor interior, because A is neither inside nor outside. So on the triangle. So we have to write here point A is neither interior nor exterior. Okay. A is, if you want to write, A is vertex. If you want to write, otherwise leave. Okay. A is vertex, not interior point, not exterior point. Okay. So this is all about this question. First question. Next, coming to the second question. Hope you understood this one. We have to draw a rough sketch of triangle. We have to name them A, B, C, and we have to write interior point as a P and exterior point as a Q. Next, we have to say whether point A is on the exterior or interior. A is neither exterior nor interior. A is a vertex or A is on the triangle. Okay. We don't want to write that. We want to write just A is interior or exterior. Neither interior nor exterior. Okay. Next, second one. In 4.4, there are only two questions. Second one. In second A, see here diagram is given in this A, B, C, and this one is D. Okay. A, identify three triangles in the figure. Identify three triangles in the figure. First we will write all questions, later we will see. B, write the name of 7 angles. Write the names of 7 angles. C, write the name of 6 line segments. Write the names of 6 line segments. We know that what is line segments already. I explained line segments. Next, the last B. Which two triangles have which two triangles have angle B? This is the symbol of angle B as a common. Okay, see here. Identify the three triangles in the figures. See here, triangle, how to represent triangle? Like this. We have to write small triangle. We have to represent triangle as this. Triangle A, B, C. See here, this one is first triangle. A, B, C. This is the first triangle. And here, the second triangle is triangle A, B, D. And the third triangle is triangle A, D, C. See here, in this triangle there are three triangles. One is ABD. This one is first triangle. Sorry, one big one is AB. C is first triangle. This one. And second triangle is this one ABD. And the third triangle is this one ADC. Okay. In this there are three triangles. Identify three triangles in the figure. Okay, we have to identify the three triangles. See, one is ABC, one triangle. This one big one is first triangle, and ABD. This part, only this part is second triangle, and ADC. This part is third triangle. So identify and write here. Triangle. We write like this symbol. Triangle ABC is first triangle. Triangle ABD is second triangle, and triangle ADC is third triangle. In this, there are three triangles. In this one diagram, there are three triangles. So we have to write ABC, ABD, and ADC. Okay. Next one, write the names of 7 angles. In this, I know we know that what are angles. Here, one angle, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to write 7 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this one is 7. See here, why I am taking here only one here, 1, 2, 3. A, B, C. Sorry, D. Here A, D, C. 3, 3, 6. Why I am taking only here a 1, that is A. Why we are not taking this B and C? Because here already we took B. Because only B is only one time. Occurring only one time. Why we are taking B 2 times? Because here, see here. We know that what are angles. What is angle? What is an angle? We know that. See here, these are the angles. These are 3 angles. But here, see. 1 triangle, 2 triangle, and the big one is 3 triangle. So in this, one triangle, angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. First, angle A is one triangle, sorry, angle B is another angle C. Next, here, this one is another angle, this one, because the angles of this separate triangle. Next, this is one angle and this is an angle. So, angle A, angle B, angle C. Next, angle ABC, sorry, angle BAD. Next, we will write here directly. Angle A, angle B, angle C. This is the angles of big triangle. Okay, separately we have drawn here. See here. Angle A, angle B, angle C is the angles of this big triangle. Next, we have to take small triangles. In the small triangles, here A, B, D. Take these angles. We already took B, so don't take B. Leave this B and write angle BAD and angle BDA. Because one time we are taking angle A, middle angle is an angle. We are taking this simply we are taking. Okay, so BAD means angle A, here angle D. Why we are taking angle A again? Because angle A have three types angles. One is this one angle and one is this one angle and another one is this angles A, D, C. Okay, so we have to take this. Over. Next is see the triangle. So here also we have to take angle D, that is ADC. Next angle CAD. How many angles? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally we wrote 7 angles. Once again I will explain. See these angles. In this triangle, there are 3 small triangles. One is big triangle, 2 small triangles. For this, first big triangles, angles are ABC. Next, second, this side angles have 2 because already we have to B here and we have to write A and D. That's it. Here also we already took C, so that's why we are taking here D and A. That's it. Okay, D and A are occurring 3 times and D are occurring 2 times. So we are taking D 2 times and A 3 times, and only B and C only 1 time. So we are already took only 1 times. Okay, so this is all about angles. Next, write the name of 7 line segment. We know that what are line segment. Already explained. Yeah, the fixed point between these distance, the fixed point. See here, A, B. The distance between these two fixed point, that is nothing but line segment. Okay, here the two end points, it never extends because this is a line segment. So we have to write name of 6 line segment with this in this triangle. So first one is AB is the line segment. See here, this is one line segment AB. Next, BC is one line segment. Next, AC is one line segment. Next, AD is one line segment. Next, BD is one line segment. Next, DC is one line segment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See here, first this one line segment. BC, 2 line segment. AC, 3 line segment. AD, 4 line segment. Over here, B and D. We took this BC. Next again we have to take this BD, 5th line segment, and DC, 6th line segment. There are total in this triangle 6 line segments. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 line segments. Okay. Next, which two angles have angle B as a common? In these two, which two triangles? Which two triangles as a B as common? Triangle. See in this B. Which two triangle B as a common? Here triangle ABC or B as a common, and triangle ABD B as a common. So we have to write and triangle ABC and triangle ABD. In these two triangles, B as a common angle. B as a common angle. Understood? So this is second question and the last question of this 4.4 exercise. Okay, we'll move to exercise 4.5. Hope you understood this one. Okay, what is angle? What is line segment? What is triangle? Least sided means 3-sided polygon is nothing but a triangle. So before going to start 4.5, we'll see what is quadrilateral. Here, what is quadrilateral? See here, A, B, C, D. A 4-sided polygon is nothing but a quadrilateral. four-sided. AB is one side, BC is another side, CD is one side, and DA is last fourth side. So a four-sided polygon is nothing but quadrilateral. In this, the angle opposite angles A and C. See here, A and C are opposite angles. A and C are opposite angles, and B and D are opposite angles. Okay, A opposite to angle C, angle D opposite to angle B opposite to angle D. These are the opposite angles. In this, see here, sides. AB is one side. The opposite sides of AB is CD. See here, these are the opposite sides. Understood? The side of AB, the opposite side of AB is CD. Here, the opposite sides of AD is BC. These are opposite sides. Understood? In this adjacent angle and adjacent side also. See here, first what you have to see? Opposite angles. Opposite angles. Second one, opposite sides. Adjacent angles and adjacent sides. So here in this there are 4 points we have to find this. First, we already know that opposite angles. Opposite means in front. Opposite angles. A opposite to C, B opposite to D. These are the opposite angles. Next, opposite sides. AB is one side, AB opposite DC, AD opposite CB, or CB opposite DA, like this, ADK or DA. Okay, so these are the opposite sides. Next, adjacent angles. Adjacent angle means, see here, continue. After A, B is coming. So after A angle, the B angle is coming. So see here, this is adjacent to this one, and A is adjacent to angle D also. So adjacent angles are AB or AD. Next, here adjacent angle of B is AC angle or BC angle or BA angle. Adjacent angle of C, this one and this one, means beside, side by side. These are the angles, adjacent angle of C. Here, the adjacent angle of A is B and B. The adjacent angle of D is C and A. Adjacent angle of B is C and A. So these are the adjacent angles. Next, adjacent sides. Sides also same. AB is one side. The adjacent side of this is BC1 and DA1. This is one side. These two are adjacent side of this, and this is one side. These two are adjacent side of DA, and CD adjacent side is BC and AB. These are the adjacent sides of this quadrilateral. Hope you understood these 4 points: opposite angles, opposite sides, adjacent angles, adjacent sides. We have to remember these 4 points will easily solve the problems. Okay, next we'll see 4.5. In this also there are only 2 questions. 4-sided polygons is nothing but a quadrilateral. .5. The Arab's quadrilateral. The Arab sketch of a quadrilateral PQRS. Draw its diagonals diagonals. Name them. Name them. Is the meeting point of is the meeting point of the diagonals of the diagonals in the interior or exterior, in the interior or exterior of the quadrilateral of the see here what we have to draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral. See here, this is quadrilateral PQRS. P, take him from here, PQRS. This is a quadrilateral. Four-sided polygon is nothing but quadrilateral. Okay. Draw its diagonals. Diagonals means see here, interior lines. These are the diagonals. And name them. O. Okay, meeting point O. Is the meeting point O of the diagonals in the interior or exterior of the quadrilateral? The meeting point here, two diagonals are meeting at a point O. Whether this point, the O is interior side or exterior? Yeah, is it in interior of this quadrilateral? So we have to write O means in its interior side. Point O means the diagonals point. Point O will meet in its interior. Okay, in its interior. Means two diagonals meeting at a point O. We have to write, name them. See here, name them. So we have name O. Point O will meet in its interior, not exterior part. Okay. So this is first question. Next, second question. Second question. Draw a sketch of a quadrilateral KLMN. Draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral KLMN. State A, two pairs of opposite sides two pairs of opposite sides. B, two pairs of opposite angles. Two pairs of opposite angles. C, two pairs of adjacent angle. Two pairs of, first we'll see AB, later we'll see CD. Okay, first what we have to do? We have to draw a quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral. We have to write, name them K, L, M, N. This is four-sided polygon, that is quadrilateral. We have to name K, L, M, N. And state first in this A, two pairs of opposite sides. Okay, in this I already explained what is opposite side or what is opposite angle. These are the angles inside this quadrilateral. First, two pairs. Two means two. Pairs means jodi. We have to write two pairs, two jodi. We have to write two pairs of opposite side. Here, first line segment is a line segment KL. Okay, KL is one line segment. Opposite of that KL is MN. Okay, one pair. Okay, jodi jodi, one pair. See here, opposite sides. KL opposite side is this one, MN or NM. Okay, so opposite sides of KL is MN. Next, two pairs, and another one is take this LM, LM. The LM opposite side is LK. And understood? The opposite side of this KL is MN and the opposite side of LM is NK or KL. You have to write interchange here also, no problem. Okay, so these are the line segments. KL is one line segment, MN is one line segment means side only. So these are the opposite pairs of side. This is one pair and this one is another pair. So two pairs, one pair and two pairs. Over. Next, here two pairs of opposite angles. We know that opposite angles. How we have to represent angle? Like this. Okay, this is the symbol. K opposite angle is angle M. K opposite angle is angle M. C here, opposite of this K is angle M. Next, one pair over. Next, and second pair is L opposite angle is here. Take L first or L. Let it. L opposite angle is angle here. So these are the two pairs of opposite angles. Next, coming to the C part, two pairs of adjacent sides. Two pairs of adjacent sides. C. We have to write two pairs of adjacent sides. So here we have to write adjacent sides. See, adjacent side of K, KL, KL. One pair. Sides K, L is one side and K, N is another side. Here K as a common because adjacent means in the common is K. K, L and KN is one pair of adjacent angle and take L or N, your wish. Okay, we have to write only two pairs. L, LK and LM. So these are the two pairs of adjacent. See, these two common is K and for these two common is M. So these are the two pairs of adjacent sides. Next, two pairs of adjacent angles. Here we have to write D part. Two pairs of adjacent angles. Oh, so first one is angle K, angle N, adjacent angle K and angle L. So these are the two first adjacent angle. Next and second, take any N, M or any angle and angle M. Take any LN or NM or KL or KN, any angle. These are the adjacent angle. So for this we have completed exercise. Second question I